We want justice of the Ugandans. Somebody is just because he's an investor and is here causing a lot of impunity to Ugandans. We are not going to accept this. We want justice to prevail. If there is a court order, let it be cleared and all the two parties are here to be served equally. There is no chana nebyana oba aumwana nebyana. These are Ugandans, suffering Ugandans, poor Ugandans who need justice. President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, please come out on the issues of investors who claim to be having money and yet they are not using their money rightly. Instead, they are corrupting all government institutions to come and steal people's lands. We are not going to accept this. I have come out as a Ugandan, actually as a concerned citizen, to tell the president to come out and help people who are suffering with these land grabbers. Mr. Ezra and your brother Afueke Muse,